Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim, and I am back, but it's gonna be a little bit sporadic because of Hurricane Ida. So right now I'm dealing with a lot of insurance stuff, and I know I said on my last video before I went away to do this job up north that I was hopefully gonna get some good astrophotography photos, some Milky Ways, some astroscapes, stuff like that. Unfortunately, due to wildfires in the northwest and up in Canada, I did not have a chance. I got one night where I actually could see the stars, the sky, and it got ruined by tourists that came and used their car lights and reverse lights and wanted to park on top of me off the parking lot where I was standing to shoot. So that did not work. So I'm gonna have to go out here in Louisiana again and then take some new shots whenever the weather is clear and I get a chance. We're still, like I said, dealing with this aftermath of Hurricane Ida. But instead of that, I'm gonna rather be doing some episodes on how to install Linux, Manjaro in particular, and then first things to do and how you get it up and running so you can use it as your full-time daily driver. The only thing I haven't gotten to work yet is Affinity Photo, Designer, Deep Sky Stacker, those kind of stuff, and DaVinci Resolve, because they're all proprietary for Windows or Microsoft. You have a DaVinci Resolve package, but you're gonna have to have NVIDIA graphics card to get that to work. I don't have it. I'm all AMD. So I gotta see what I gotta do to get those to work. If I need to do a virtual machine with pass-through whenever graphic cards become reasonably priced again. So if you like this, please continue hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave some comments down below. Let me know what you did this summer. And as soon as I get some more shots, we'll get back into the photography side of my tutorials. But for now, we're going to start with Linux tutorials. And if you want to, you can learn Linux with me. I'll see you all next time.